Hi, this is Dina. I am going to teach you today to take regular cupcakes that are just frosted. We're going to be using a white cupcake and white frosting today, but you could use chocolate if you'd like, and then just use a plain buttercream frosting. We're going to be taking regular cupcakes and we are going to be turning them into a full-size poinsettia cupcake, and this is just made with colored sugar and full-size marshmallows. I'm just going to show you how quick and easy this is to put together a faux couture cupcake just with some simple ingredients and a very inexpensive dessert that you can take to your next holiday event or something special you're planning in your home. So we're going to take some marshmallows. We're going to use the full-size marshmallows, and we are going to be cutting them. And we're going to want to make our leaves first, and we're going to need 3 leaves, so we're going to be using 1 full-size marshmallow. And we're just going to cut them into these oblong shapes, which just kind of naturally happens when you cut the marshmallows. And then we're just going to just kind of shake them up really good in our green colored decorator sugar. And decorator sugar can be purchased in colors, or you can easily make it yourself just by putting it in a Ziploc bag, regular sugar with a couple of drops of food coloring, mush it around till it's uniformly colored, and then put it on some wax paper to dry, and you can make your own colored sugar. So now that we have our green leaves, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to cut some random sizes for our poinsettia petals, because our first layer is going to have the largest petals, and then we're going to have smaller petals after that. So what we're going to do here is we are just going to take the marshmallow and we're going to start cutting it on an angle so that we have some small ones, some medium size petals, and then some large ones, the ones in the middle. And you're going to need to cut about 3 different marshmallows. And so that's going to give you your various sizes of petals. And again, give them a good tumble in the colored sugar here. Sometimes you kind of want to just take it up to the side here and just push that really good. I like to lay them out in different sizes. So my largest ones are in one row, and then the medium size in another row, and my little small ones are there together, so that I can just quickly grab some uniform sizes to do the different layers with my little petals here. So now that we've got that going, we're just going to grab a cupcake, and I'll go ahead and get the one that I had gotten some red sprinkles on. It doesn't matter, it's going to be covered up. And I'm just going to put our first 2 leaves down right here, and you just kind of anchor them into your buttercream frosting. And then I go back over here and add a little more frosting to the top of that, because we're going to have petals going on top of it. So I'm carefully holding my cupcake because these are nice, tender cupcakes. If you add pudding to the cake mix, and I like Duncan Hines cake mixes, it's going to give you a nice flavor and a nice moist texture. So I use the regular cake mix, but I'll just add 1 box of instant or cook and serve Jello type pudding. And so that's our first row of petals. We've just put those down, and then we're going to just add this next row right here in the middle, and we're going to leave a little open space because we're going to come back in just a second after we've added that row and just shake some yellow colored sugar right in there, and we now have our finished products right here. And that is our little poinsettia cupcakes. And I'll show you 3 of them together here, right here. And that's it, poinsettia cupcakes.